Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very unique trading strategy that combines the Ichimoku cloud, Chaikin money flow, and the shaft trend cycle with an ATR stop loss indicator. I'm also going to test it 100 times so you guys can get an idea of how it performs. This one was actually sent to me from a Patreon supporter who wanted to share their idea with everyone on the channel. So being very kind, they came up with a strategy and wanted to give the idea for everyone to see. There's actually 6 other Patreons who also sent me their strategies and wanted me to share them with the channel. So in the next couple weeks, I will hopefully pump out all those videos on these strategies so you guys will have a bunch to look forward to and a bunch of unique strategies to draw ideas from. Now, there's a bunch of things I want to go over with regards to updates of the channel that are really positive for everyone. So I'm going to start with this right here. As the channel has grown quite significantly, it has started to generate a decent amount of revenue. And I think it's time to put that revenue back into the channel. So I'm going to be reviewing different paid products within the trading industry. So first one is going to be the Lux Algo, and that is because the Lux Algo is one of my most requested testing videos / strategy review videos. The Lux Algo has been requested on my channel ever since I started the channel, almost a year ago now. And I never did it because it's a paid service. It costs, I don't know, it's like $140 or something. And I purchased it. As you can see, I have it on my screen right now, and I'm going to do a review and test on it, as well as with other things in the trading industry that are paid services, paid products, whatever it is. I want to give an unbiased review and test of each of these products so that the whole community can see what is good, what's not good, and not have to deal with watching a Lux Algo video from someone who is an affiliate, because every single review video I saw was an affiliate. So you are not getting an unbiased opinion on the Lux Algo from any of the videos that I saw out there on it. So first one will be the Lux Algo, and I'll be doing future reviews of different paid products in the trading industry. Now that the channel's generating money, might as well put that money towards the channel and, just giving good content for the community to see. And so I thought that was a great update that most people in the channel really like to hear. Another thing is that now I am in Thailand. I'm in quarantine at the moment. I'm outside of the US, so I can legally use my favorite cryptocurrency exchange, Bybit. And of course, I also have an affiliate link with Bybit now. I've been promoting them on my channel for a long time before I could ever legally use an affiliate link with them. But now that I'm outside of the US, of course I got an affiliate link for Bybit. So use my affiliate link down below in the description. Sign up for Bybit. It's the best cryptocurrency exchange, and you know why? Because they have rebates on limit orders. Huge deal. They pay you to take limit orders. If you don't understand, fees are a huge deal in trading that make trading a lot harder to be profitable in the long run. So having the ability to make money when you take limit orders and actually get paid is a huge deal. So I am a huge fan of Bybit because of this reason. They also have a very intuitive and easy to use platform. So highly recommend Bybit. Use my affiliate link to sign up for a Bybit account if you're not currently trading crypto on Bybit. Now, last thing is with the Discord channel. I'm going to be doing a paid giveaway every single month to the top 3 people who are contributing in the Discord channel. We actually have put together a awesome grading system for people who are contributing. They're going to be getting experience points, and it's going to level them up between different Super Saiyan levels. Yes, I'm a huge geek, and Stratfather also, who is the script creator, and he is running the Discord more so than I am. He is also a fan of Dragon Ball, so of course we got to have the Dragon Ball level ups. You can get all the way to Master to Ultra Instinct if you do contribute enough over time on the Discord. And I'm going to give every single month the top 3 people. I'll do $300 for number 1, $200 for number 2, and $100 for number 3. And that will be a monthly thing for the top contributors. So please help me out. If you're a Discord person or a Patreon member, help out others on the Patreon and Discord accounts, because now I am having a huge challenge with keeping up with all the questions and people commenting. It's just impossible for me to get through all of them. I get 100 plus messages every single day, and I literally have to spend the entire day responding to questions, and it doesn't leave me with any time to produce channel content on YouTube or to do my own personal trading. So it's really going to be helpful to have other people helping me out with answering people's questions, and because I just can't get back to everyone. It's just not possible. I just don't have enough time as one person to do that. Well, anyway, those are pretty much all the updates. Hopefully some good things for everyone to hear. And now I'll get into the video, talk about this strategy, and get into the 100 test. All right, let's quickly go through the indicators and their settings. So we have the Ichimoku cloud with everything removed other than the plots background. Here are the settings: 20, 30, 120, and 60. Then there's the ATR stop loss indicator, 14 and 2 for the settings. Then the Chaikin money flow, which has default of 20. And finally, the shaft trend cycle. Here are the settings for that. Now let's go through the rules of the strategy one step at a time. The rules to enter a long position are as follows. You need to see that price is closed above the Ichimoku cloud. You need to see that the Chaikin money flow is above the 0 line, and you need to see that the shaft trend cycle is above the 75 line. So for example, to take a long entry, you could take one when this candle closes outside and above the Ichimoku cloud, because we have Chaikin money flow that's above the 0 line. We have shaft trend cycle above the 75. So this is a valid entry. Stop loss will go to the stop loss indicator and targeting 1.5 times the risk. So this is what I'm going to be testing. Our next entry would be over here. So the profit target is hit right here on this candle. We would get another long entry because all the conditions are met on this candle here. Chaikin money flows above the 0 line. We have shaft trend cycle go above the 75. So we can enter a long position right here with the stop loss to the stop loss indicator and targeting 1.5 times the risk. All right, so I'm going to go over a couple short entries really fast and then get into the 100 tests. Now for a short entry, we need to see that the candle is closed below the Ichimoku cloud. We need to see that the Chaikin money flow is below the 0 line, and we need to see shaft trend cycle below the 25 line. So we get our first entry signal right here, and we set our stop loss to the stop loss indicator, targeting 1.5 times the risk. It is hit on this candle, and then we can get another entry right away after we close out this one. So stop loss indicator, 1.5 times the risk. Now to get into the 100 tests. All right, the results are in after the 100 tests, and they're all right. So let's go over them here. We have this done on Bitcoin against the US dollar, 30-minute time frame, using a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Took 4 months of price data to do the 100 trades, and there were 51 winners and 49 losses. The most wins in a row was 11, and the most losses in a row was 10. We're going to talk a little bit about that. Very interesting equity curve on this one, and the gain on the account 27.5%. So if I were to draw out the equity curve for you, this is what I imagine it would look like. We had huge win streak, something like this, and then huge win streak. So it was a really, really interesting equity curve based on the market conditions. It kind of got, it got pretty decimated and didn't make any money for a long period of time, but it would make a ton of money, get kind of wrecked, lose a little bit of money, then make a ton of money. So yeah, I mean, it would be sideways for a long period of time. You'd spend probably 2 months where you end without any profit and or down on your money, but then it goes on this huge winning streak again, depending on the trending environment. So with something like this strategy, it really reminds me of the trend continuation strategy. Let me tell you about it here. So I'm just going to put up the relative strength index. Let's get rid of these. So with the trend continuation strategy, it goes like this. You wait until RSI goes oversold or overbought, and you start trading in that direction. So RSI goes oversold, you're looking for continuations for it to continue being oversold because you have a lot of momentum to the downside. Just like with this strategy, you're waiting until the shaft trend cycle goes overbought or oversold, and you're trading in that direction with the momentum. Often in ranges though, when you go oversold, it whips back to the mean, or if it goes overbought, it retracts back to the mean. So you go on these, big losing streaks, 10 losses in a row, and you also go on these huge winning streaks when you have a strong trending environment. So just like any trend following strategy, this one really needs a trend. You need to have a strong trend for this to work out. And so that's why you get this 10 losses in a row in a ranging period where the RSI or the shaft trend cycle is just bouncing back and forth. And you're just taking losses left and right because you're buying at the top and selling at the bottom. But then in a strong trending environment, you can see, let's try and find a period on the RSI here where it just stays oversold or overbought for a long period of time. Like in just a really strong trending environment, you will see where the RSI, okay, let's look at some price action here. So let's just take a look over here. I mean, first the RSI gets into the overbought right here, but this continues strongly up. It has a little bit of a pullback, but then you get overbought right here, but then it continues strong all the way up here. So stuff like this, you're buying, you can buy multiple times along the way here and get your risk to reward ratio in. So just like with the shaft trend cycle that this strategy was using, we have overbought here. So that's where we'd be buying, and then you get a winning trade, you exit it, and then suddenly you enter right into another one right here, or you get the idea. So on a strong trending environment, you're getting a bunch of these wins in a row, and then you exit that one, and wherever it is, you enter the next one, and you get another win, and that's how you get these big winning streaks where this trend is strong. So you just keep winning based on the trend strength, but then when you get to a choppy period, you're going to end up selling at the bottom and buying at the top. So that's just something I wanted to mention about a strategy like this. That's kind of interesting. Obviously, you got to work with it, but it's a cool idea to work with, and it reminded me of the trend continuation strategy where you wait until the RSI goes overbought to start buying, and then wait till it goes oversold to start selling. But you have to do some sort of mitigation tactic where you're not, some type of thing where you have a way of identifying when price is in a range versus when it's trending, because you don't want to be trading this type of strategy when price is ranging, or you're going to get wrecked. Okay. Anyway, let's get on to the spreadsheet, and I'm going to do a super quick comparison there because I've talked too much and this video is getting long. All right, really fast, here it is on the spreadsheet. Fallen at spot number 34 out of 65 strategies tested, so kind of in that mid-level, and you know, obviously could use some work at trying to avoid those ranging periods, but overall, interesting strategy, pretty cool, and a good thing to work with and give you ideas for future sort of strategies that you want to put together. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Bybit affiliate link down below, and have a great day.